Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching a video of mine, I highly recommend you subscribe. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing something a little different. It is makeup related, but this is something I've been wanting to do on my channel for a long time, and I finally decided this is the perfect time. I picked up some products from a place called Shopmissa. If you don't know what it is, I wish I could tell you because I kind of really don't know myself what it is, but all I know is it's a makeup website where all their products are $1. And I mean, it's just something I want to test out because it's like, if the products are actually good, then getting makeup for $1 is like a huge bargain. So I wanted to test out a couple things. It came in this package. This is their logo. It tells you Missa, has down at the bottom, go to shopmissa.com. So I got this big bag of stuff. I don't remember what I got, but I know for a fact I got a foundation and some concealers. Everything else I don't remember. Another reason why I wanted to test their stuff was because I wanted to see if it's like, you know, dark skin friendly. Because most of the time the reviews that I've seen come from lighter tones, and most of the time it looks good on them, but I have to be very particular about where I actually purchase my products. Picked up these lashes. These are the AOA Studio lashes, Chloe, in the color black. I got this LA Colors foundation in the color ebony, and yeah, it's just a foundation. I heard these foundations are actually really good. This is something that I wanted to add to my makeup kit for clients just because I know that it's cheap. I know it's everywhere. I got these two lipsticks. I honestly thought this was more purple than it is blue, so this is kind of throwing me off. And I bought two concealers. I tried to match them as close as possible with my ColourPop concealer. This one is fairly close. Alright, so first, let's touch these brows. Cover up this scar that's on my hand. You can kind of see it a little, but I normally like to test out concealers on that scar now, just because it kind of lets me know how the coverage is. And from what I can tell, the coverage of this is pretty full coverage concealer. I mean, of course I can still see it, but it's not as visible without it. And I'm also noticing that around the edges of this, the way that it's drying, it dries pretty fast, and it dries darker than what this color actually is. So this could really mess up. Since I'm already at it, I might as well do my eyeshadows. So today I'm going to be using the Saharian palette. As you can kind of sort of tell, it's fresh and brand new, and I'm pressed to use it. So yes, honey, I actually just got this in the mail. I've been dying to use this, so I'm going to create a little something. What? I don't know, but I'm going to create a little look. So I'm going to set my eyes with this concealer. And if you can see how this is applying, this is not smooth. Like, this is not, the thickness of it is amazing, but this is not, between this brush and the thickness of it and the smell, it's kind of annoying. Turned out really good, so I wanted to show you guys how I did the other eye because I know it would be questions about it. So I ended up using the Saharian palette and my good old Zulu palette because I was wearing purple, and I was like, the purple needs to be in this look. So first I'm going to take this color right here, gonna go on to the foundation. I definitely feel like this foundation is too dark. So I'm only gonna try it on a small portion of my face, and if this doesn't work, then I'm gonna use my own foundation. Is it gonna come out? Is it broke? What the hell? Okay. What the? I know y'all saw that. I wasn't even trying to make that up. So far this is not going good. So I'm just gonna put this. Why is it so hard? And why does it come out like this? Okay. Now I have foundation on my wall. This is the darkest shade, but this dark didn't look that dark on the website. I don't know. I thought this would be my shade. Because the next foundation up is Black Walnut. This even looks too dark. They only have two darker shades, the Black Walnut and the Ebony, but the Black Walnut still looks too dark. So maybe LA Colors does have the good shade range, but maybe Shopmissa just doesn't carry the shade range. Right, so thank God I saved myself from a disaster. So the concealer so far is just not working for me. And now I see that this is gonna be way too light because this is ColourPop and this is Shopmissa. You know what? I'm gonna do this side ColourPop. I'm gonna do this side ColourPop, this side the Shopmissa. So. So overall for this concealer, I don't like it. Now I will say this side, it does look good, but the amount of pressure and the amount of things that I have to do just for this concealer to blend out is ridiculous. I literally had to blend two concealers together, which normally I don't have to do because concealers are not a problem for me. I had to blend two concealers together. I had to damn near beat my own face in to get the concealer to move. And I even watered down my beauty blender again just so that it could blend out. For it to look good, but that was just too much work for some concealer. And I used Laura Mercier translucent powder, like the regular one. So for me to see where I highlighted, I never like that. That's why I don't bake too long. But on this side, I can't really see it, but then again I can. But it's not as harsh as on this side. Alright, so I had a really rough time with those lashes. As you can see, this one looks a little rough, so let's focus only on this one. Yeah, like I said, I didn't like how the lash band is clear, but you can tell like where the individual like lash was glued on, and it's black, so it doesn't make sense that it would be like clear and black. Like pick one or the other. The texture of the lashes, I don't think, it says natural hair, so I guess that's not mink hair or human hair or whatever the case may be. So with that, the lash doesn't necessarily curl. Like I tried using an eyelash curler. I tried curling them before I put them on. They was not necessarily bending, so yeah, that was another turn off. But I mean, lashes overall make a look, you know, come together, and it looks good, but they're not lashes that I would just continuously buy, and they're not lashes that are fluid. You know, this is really not a good lipstick right here. You can like see through, like it's no coverage. And these applicators, they're like they're $1 worth. You could tell that this was cheap. It's just moving the product around. It's not building up anything. It's just there. But this red right here, this is it. This is everything. So yeah, I have more negative things to say than positive. The only thing that I liked is the lipstick. That was the only thing that didn't give me like a horrible time. The concealers, not for me. The foundation, I couldn't try it, so it wasn't for me. I'm glad I did the video though, because I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. So thumbs up this video if you enjoyed my review. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications, and I will see you all in my next video.